really of how strong the family is here. We're going to miss you. We're so proud of you. Everybody in the stadium is proud of you. One last time, class of 2013, please rise. And before you join the alumni of Hoover' High School, we will all hail Hoover one